We divide 961 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 6 and it is 46. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 1 and it is 11. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 961 divided by 5 is 192 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.